You walk into a room, trip slightly, and suddenly you're sure everyone noticed. They didn't. But your brain thinks they did. This is called the spotlight effect. It's a psychological bias where you overestimate how much other people notice you. Your brain places you at the center of attention, even when no one is actually looking. Here's why it happens. You experience your life from inside your own head. Every mistake feels loud. Every awkward moment feels amplified, because you're the main character of your story. But everyone else, they're busy being the main character of theirs. You think they saw that. They noticed I was nervous. They're thinking about what I said. In reality, most people forget within seconds, not because they don't care, but because they're thinking about themselves. Research shows we dramatically overestimate how much others observe our behavior. We assume the spotlight is on us. But the spotlight exists mostly in our own mind. So the next time you feel judged, remember this. Everyone is too busy worrying about themselves. The spotlight isn't real. It just feels real.